Holy f***ing shit. Lowbrow Customs. Beep, beep.
All right, everybody, it's time for another one of Todd's Tech Tip Quickies from America's favorite moto guru, Todd.
Oh, hey guys. Wondering how to find some Harley-Davidson OEM part numbers? Can't seem to find that part you're looking for? OEM numbers help real well. And here's the Harley-Davidson Service Information Portal. Now we're going to go to the office in the big sky to our owner, Tyler, and he's going to show you how to do it.
Hey guys, I wanted to show you a tool that we tell customers about all the time, but I thought it'd be better to share in this video so you can see how easy it is to use the official Harley parts catalog to find exact parts for your bike. The example I'll use are cables, but this would work for anything, you know, any stock part you're trying to replace. The OEM number is useful to find the stock replacement and even custom parts that might replace that stock part. So first thing I'm going to do is, and I'll include this link in the, or will include this link in the video, but and just in Google here, I'm going to search 2003 Harley-Davidson Sportster catalog, which I've already searched for, so it popped up. This first link here is serviceinfo.harley-davidson.com. That is what we're looking for. So if you haven't used a parts book before, it's pretty simple. It's basically exploded diagrams. I'm going to go right here in this top left corner, and you can see it. It says the Sportster models here. And so I'm going to look for a throttle cable. So I'll go ahead and search that, and it's going to pull up, you know, various things that have the word throttle or throttle cable in there. So I'll scroll down. This is what I'm looking for. This exploded parts diagram that has all the different parts around your handlebar and control assemblies. And you can see here there are the throttle and idle cables. And if you basically are just looking for the number that corresponds to the part. Some of these, like say 9 and 10, those look like the ferrules for the cable ends. It looks like 22 and 23 here are probably the main part numbers for throttle and idle. So I'm going to scroll down to numbers 22, 23. Yep, 22 right here. Throttle control assembly. It gives models XL 1200 and XL 883. I'm going to go ahead and copy this OEM number. And then I am going to jump over to lowbrowcustoms.com, and you can simply paste the OEM number right into the search bar and see what results we get. There you go. We've got 3 different throttle cables that fit this 2003 Sportster, including a 4-inch extended, a standard one, and a blacked out cable. So now you know that this cable is what you're looking for your bike, and you can purchase it and have confidence that it's going to fit. Other examples here, you know, say you've got a different bike. We'll go up here into back to the Harley parts search, and I'll search for 2005 Dyna. Hit enter, it's loading the results here. Now this lists all documents that have to do with that. What we're looking for is a parts catalog. In this instance, it's the second result. Dyna models, I'll click on that, it'll load it up. And once it loads here in the left search bar, let's search for throttle cable. And boom, it popped up here. Throttle cables. Looks like here it shows numbers 8 and 9 for throttle and idle cable. And here we go, throttle cable assembly. Here we'll do idle cable. Here's OEM number. Go ahead and copy that. I'll jump back over to lowbrowcustoms.com, paste that OEM number in, search, and there we go. We've got 3 different idle cables that fit that 05 Dyna, standard, a blacked out version, and a +4. Hopefully you find this to be a useful tool. I know it gives me the confidence that I'm getting the proper part for my bike. No one likes having to order parts more than once. So use the Harley parts book to find your OEM number and order your parts from lowbrowcustoms.com with confidence.
Wasn't that tech tip awesome? Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.
Todd's Tech Tip Quickies.